Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to download and install SSMS 21. So let's get started. You'll require a web browser. I'll make use of Google Chrome. In the search bar, you need to type SSMS, download and press enter. You'll get this first link, install SQL Server Management Studio. Click on it. If you scroll down, you'll get this link, download SSMS 21. Click on this link. This will download the setup, the installer. Once it is downloaded, click on open. You will get a pop-up, select yes. Click on continue. Now this will download the required files and install on your machine. Now select the features. I'll check all and click on install. So installation has completed. Click on OK. Now to start this application SSMS, you can click on the Windows icon and in search you need to type SSMS. Over here at the bottom you will find SQL Server Management Studio 21. This is the app icon and click on open. This will launch the SQL Server Management Studio 21. You can skip and add accounts later. If you are using previous version of SSMS, it is going to give you this import user settings pop-up message. So you can import settings from your previous version of SSMS. So I'm going to just click on do not import. Click on yes. So let me connect to the SQL Server. I'll type localhost. Check this trust server certificate. Database name, you can select the database. I'll just select system database, and in the color you can choose the color and select green and click on connect. That's how you can connect to SQL Server databases. You can click on new query to open query page. You can explore the system databases. And you can write your query on this query page and execute it. So I'll just explore this. You can click on this execute button. So this is going to execute the query and return you the output on this window, the result set. Now I'll close this. That's all for today guys. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.